Hi, this is Daryl Breland with Breland Benefits and Insurance. If you're self-employed, a sole proprietor, or running a small business with just a few employees, you've probably run into one big problem. Affordable quality health insurance is hard to find. And when you do find something, it's either too expensive or the coverage just isn't there. So in this video, I want to show you a solution that's specifically designed for small business owners just like you. This program is built for sole proprietors, independent contractors, small businesses with 1 to 4 employees, including 1099 subcontractors. For example, if you're a real estate broker, you can cover your 1099 agents on your own plan if you want, but you have to pay the premium and collect their portion from them, if any, or they can have their own plan so long as they qualify. To qualify, you simply need to have an EIN, which you can easily obtain online if you don't already have one at irs.gov, and be able to answer no to the health questions on the application. The application can be accessed via a self-enrollment link that can be or has been provided to you. It's important to read the questions carefully because if you answer a question inaccurately, coverage will be denied for the condition for which you did not disclose. For example, suppose that you forgot that you had cancer. I know there's a little extreme, but for example's sake, let's stick with that. Your cancer claims won't be paid. Your policy won't be terminated, and you won't receive a refund, and non-cancer related claims will still be processed, but no claims that are related to your condition for which you didn't disclose will be paid. So why bother? Don't do that. Before you misinterpret the example I just gave you and think, oh, this plan doesn't cover cancer-related claims. No, it does. If you developed cancer after the policy's in place or you were unaware that you had cancer, the only time a pre-existing condition is excluded is if you fail to disclose something you knew about on the application process. Got it? Get it? Good. This is a group health plan, not an individual plan, and it's not a limited benefit plan. It's a true group health plan, a major medical plan. That's important because it gives you access to better coverage options, more stable pricing, and access to nationwide PPO networks, including Cigna. Now that I've mentioned that name, it's very important that you remember that having access to the Cigna PPO network doesn't mean that Cigna Insurance Company is providing this coverage. They are not. So please don't ever contact Cigna to ask them about your cards or coverages or claims. That can create real problems for the group. You will be provided with the proper channels for filing claims and getting customer service, and it won't be with Cigna. This plan is brought to you as part of an association, and like all large groups, almost any large company that you can think of, it's a self-insured pool administered by a third-party administrator. Here are some of the things that makes this program stand out. First of all, it's simplified underwriting process. They either accept you or they won't. If you answer no to all the questions on the application, you will be approved. If you answer yes to one of them, you won't. It's that simple. There are multiple plan options to fit your budget. You have access to one of the best nationwide PPO networks. And most importantly, you can even self-enroll online with a simple link. It's not complicated, no paperwork, no back and forth. And by the way, this is available in all 50 states, but I must be licensed in the state where you live before your application can be processed. So if you don't live in one of the states in which you know I'm licensed, for example, you can look at any email that I may have sent you or my website or my newsletter, and you'll see where I list the states in which I'm licensed. It's about a fourth of those in the nation. But if I'm not currently licensed in there, give me at least a week's notice so that I can get appointed in your state before you process your application. You'll have several plans to choose from, But here are the three most common. The bronze plan. That's my favorite. It's a strong balance between cost and coverage. You'll see a maximum out of pocket. That includes your deductible and your copays. And you don't have to meet a deductible to go see your primary care physician, just a copay. If it's a wellness visit, you don't even have to pay your copay if it's an annual wellness visit. There's also a value plan. This is the most affordable plan, and it's pretty popular for that reason. Then another for people who are high income earners, or at least they have or they're concerned about income taxes. A health savings plan is great for those who want tax advantages and long-term savings. Here's my elevator speech about a health savings account. And HSA is one of the few places in the tax code where you get triple tax advantage. Your contributions are tax deductible, your money grows tax-free, and you can withdraw it tax-free for qualified medical expenses. Plus, the funds are yours to keep forever. So anything that you don't use today continues to grow and can even be used in retirement. There are additional options available as well depending on your needs, including a minimal essential coverage plan, also known as a MEC. If you don't know what that is, you probably don't need to know. How enrollment works. This is one of the easiest parts. You will receive or have received a custom enrollment link where you can view all the available plans, compare the pricing, see the coverage details, and enroll directly. It's designed to be simple, fast, and transparent. Just to be clear, this program focuses on health insurance coverage. There's no dental or vision or life insurance available with this plan. If you're interested in dental or vision insurance, those can be obtained separately through another company called Emeritus, and I have other options too. I will provide you with a link for you to explore their plans, benefits, networks, pricing, and even self-enroll. Now, here's something important to keep in mind for future growth. As your business grows and you add more employees, even more opportunities become available, including additional strategies designed for larger groups. So this isn't just a short-term solution. It's something that can grow with your business. To stay informed, I hope you will subscribe to my monthly newsletter, Your Health Matters. And by the way, if you enroll in one of my plans, you will automatically be subscribed, and you can unsubscribe, but I encourage you not to, because if you will read that newsletter and listen to my weekly podcast, Papa D's Corner, and support my YouTube channels, Breland Benefits, and I also have another one called Papa D's Corner, you will stay informed. I will explain to you things that you should know about the industry and your policy and new things that are coming about. It's a great way in layman's language to stay informed of things that will benefit you. I will put the links to all of these in this video's description. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this. This could be simple, affordable solution to a problem that a lot of business owners struggle with. And if it makes sense for you, it's one of the easiest enrollments you'll ever go through. Thanks again. To explore plans and to see your options, just click the link in the pinned comment below this video. And while you're at it, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you stay informed of new content that could benefit you from me.